Hey there, Londoners! If you've ever dreamed of tickling the ivories but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the best spots across London to kickstart your piano journey. First off, let's talk about demand. According to Google search trends, there's a higher interest in piano lessons in affluent areas like Kensington and Chelsea. Meanwhile, places like Barking or Dagenham show less search activity for piano tutors. This data from Google Keyword Planner gives us a peek into where the piano passion is hottest in London. Now, what's driving these differences? Socioeconomic factors play a big role. Wealthier neighborhoods often have more private music tutors and established schools. But don't worry, community initiatives are stepping up in less affluent areas to make sure everyone gets a shot at learning music. Why should you learn piano anyway? For one, it's great for your brain. Studies from Nature Neuroscience show that playing piano boosts neuroplasticity. Plus, it's an amazing stress buster, as highlighted by the American Journal of Lifestyle Medicine. If you're in West Kensington, you're in luck. WKMT London Piano Studios is a top choice for quality piano instruction. They also have other branches across London. They specialize in the Scaramuza technique and offer tailored programs for adults. WKMT even knows how to fit piano lessons into a busy professional lifestyle. So whether you're in a bustling borough or a quieter corner of London, understanding local demand and choosing the right school is key. Why not check out WKMT for their tailored adult programs? Curious to learn more? Head over to WKMT London Piano Studios to schedule a trial lesson. And hey, drop a comment below about your experiences or interests in piano lessons. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy playing.